Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Oreo cake roll. It's made with a chocolate cake that has a brownie-like texture. It has an Oreo cream cheese filling. It's topped with a cream cheese glaze, more Oreos, and a dusting of powdered sugar. It is so amazing and so delicious. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a small heat-proof bowl, add in the chocolate chips and heat them in the microwave or over a double boiler until they're melted, and set it aside to cool slightly. Then separate the eggs. Set aside the yolks for now, and then add the egg whites into a medium bowl and whip them until they form stiff peaks. And then set them aside for now. And then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and cocoa powder, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for about a minute until they're well combined. Add in the egg yolks and vanilla extract and beat them in well. Then add in half of the buttermilk. Mix it in until it's combined. Then add in half of the dry ingredients. Mix it in until it's almost combined but not fully incorporated. Then add in the rest of the buttermilk. Mix it in until it's almost combined. Then add in the rest of the dry ingredients, and add in the melted chocolate as well, and mix them in until they're almost combined, and add in the whipped egg whites, and gently fold them in until they're almost combined. Then crush up the Oreos in a plastic bag. Then add them to the rest of the batter and fold them in until they're combined. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Lightly grease it with nonstick cooking spray. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it out until it's even all throughout the bottom of the pan. And then bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While it's still in the oven, dust a clean kitchen towel with powdered sugar. Then once the cake comes out of the oven, immediately flip it onto the towel. Peel off the aluminum foil. Dust the cake with the powdered sugar. And then roll it up. then place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the Oreo cream cheese filling, in a large bowl add the softened cream cheese and the softened butter, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're well combined and smooth. Then add in the vanilla extract and sift in half of the powdered sugar. Mix them in on low speed at first and then beat them in until they're well combined. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar. Again, mix it in on low speed at first and then beat it in until it's well combined. To make the cream cheese glaze, take a 1/4 cup of the cream cheese filling mixture and place it into a small bowl, and add in the milk and mix it in until it's combined. Crush up the Oreos in a food processor and add them to the cream cheese filling mixture and mix them in until they're combined. Then once the cake is cooled completely, very carefully unroll it. There really isn't a way of doing this without it breaking. And spread on the Oreo cream cheese filling. Add some more Oreos to the top, breaking them up before adding them. And then carefully roll it back up. And carefully transfer it to your serving plate. Then pour on the cream cheese glaze. Add some more Oreos to the top. And then dust some powdered sugar over the top. And you can add some to the plates too if you like. And that's how to make an amazing Oreo cake roll. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.